Here is what I made today for breakfast as a food content creator. Today I'm making a simple English breakfast with Milo iced latte. If you really want to up your breakfast game, then this video is definitely for you. You might want to stick around to watch to the very end. Let's get cooking. Now we want to start off by making our scrambled egg. And first you want to get a bowl and then you put in your eggs. Depending on the quantity you'd want to make, just go in with the number of eggs you prefer. So just like this, I'll show you the tricks to make the perfect scrambled egg and you will not regret it. Introduce some salt to taste and then you add in some water. Yes, this quantity is just perfect. Make sure you beat this egg like your life depends on it. Beat it very well because you want it to achieve a very good consistency, and that will also help the outcome of your unscrambled egg as well. So just beat it as much as you can, just like this. And what we want to do is that we'll set this aside while we work on our other ingredients. So into a pot on fire, you go in with some vegetable oil or butter, olive oil, which one you prefer. And if you have some hot dogs or sausages, just as you see in this video, just go ahead and toss these in it until you achieve a golden brown color. Make sure you do not burn it, just flip it over alternatively until you get your desired perfect color, just as you see. Now that this looks beautiful, all we want to do is to take it out from the fire, just like this. Make sure you don't burn it at all. It's very, very important. You want it to come out looking very, very clean and nothing should really happen to it. So I just prefer it to be this way. But if you want it to be more brown, then go ahead and do it to suit your preference. But this is just okay. So I'll take everything from the pan just as you see, and then I'll go in with my eggs from earlier. You know, the eggs are sat there for, let's say, 5 minutes, and that's okay. Now just put it in it, and it should be on a low to high. It shouldn't be very high because you are going to, if you do that, it's going to fry dry. So no, you just want it this way. And as you see, just go ahead and start scrambling it just like this. And you do not want to really fry this egg until it's completely done and dry. You want it to be moist. So just as you see here, you know, when you take it off the fire, this egg will still be cooking. So you do not want to really overdo yourself, else your egg will not come out moist and it wouldn't taste good. Now into the same pot or pan, just as you see, I butter my slices of bread, and then I'm going to toast these and I'll flip them over alternatively until I achieve my desired golden brown color. Just do them to suit your preference, just like this, and then we'll set these ones to aside. Now I have some tomato. This is optional. If you do not want tomato, just don't do it. Okay, do not do it, but I prefer that, so I introduce some tomato and I'm going to toast this, and I'll be flipping it over until I get my dessert taste. Some people want it to be burnt a little, and without wasting much time, I introduce my baked beans into my frying pan for a few minutes, and it's now done. So we are going to set this aside and we move on to making our Milo iced latte. Into a cup, we'll introduce some Milo, some coffee, we'll add some condensed milk, and also we'll introduce some cold water. You can use sugar or any sweetener of your choice at this stage, and then all we want to do is to frost these until we get a very fluffy and smooth consistency, just as you see right here. And this is okay, it's perfect, and we will just take it out and then we'll introduce our other ingredients. Make sure you frost it very well, okay? I introduced some ice cubes here. You can add as much ice cubes as you prefer, and then I went in with some milk. Here you can top it up with some more Milo or anything you prefer at this stage. And now our breakfast is just ready to be enjoyed. I hope that I've been able to convince you that you can eat your English breakfast on a budget and you still enjoy it to the very best. If this video has been helpful to you, then you should not forget to like. Also subscribe to this amazing channel so you do not miss out on any video we post in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe and bye.